Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your EastWest Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First up, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in eastwestbank.com. It will take you to the official website of EastWest Bank, and over here in this interface, you can see the login portal. Choose your account type and enter the username of your account. Once you do that, enter the password of your account, and in case if you guys forgot your password, click here forgot password to reset it. After that, click on login button. You will be logged into your EastWest Bank account. So this is how you can log in into your EastWest Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.